Hello and welcome to this May 26, 2010 video version of InvestEd Central's Chart of the Day. I'm Tom Boley, InvestEd Central's Chief Market Strategist, and it's my pleasure to provide you with today's Chart of the Day. This Chart of the Day is brought to you by StockCharts.com, simply the web's best financial charts. Well, today we are featuring ticker symbol BCE on the long side. This is a $22 billion company. We saw in the market on Tuesday a very significant reversal after a big gap down. We alerted our members early in the day that there was a tremendous amount of pessimism in the market and that it was likely that we were going to be bouncing at some point in the near term, whether it was yesterday, whether it was going to be today or Thursday, but at some point clearly in the near term we were priming for a pretty significant bounce, and I think it could have started on Tuesday. We'll see if we get the follow through, but we spent some time looking for some individual stocks that look pretty good in terms of finding price support or trend line support and look like they're ready for a bounce. BCE is one of those. We also sent out 3 setups for our Plus and Premier members. If you're interested in looking at those stocks, you can go to investedcentral.com, sign up for a $9.95 monthly special to check out the service and also those 3 setups for today. But on BCE specifically, this one I think looks pretty interesting because you can see it had come back down over the course of the last week and a half from a recent high. This one was sitting close to a 52-week high just about a week ago, a little more than a week ago. And with the recent weakness, we pulled all the way back, testing this breakout area. You can see this double top from early January and then again late February. We broke above both of those tops in early March, and we've gone back for a second time to test this support area. So first of all, we went back, we hit a key support area, we bounced, we reversed, like the volume on the reverse. Anytime you get the heaviest volume that we've seen in the last 8 months and we do it on a reversal off of a recent downtrend, we like the action. So, one other thing I'll point out here on BCE is it's not a particularly aggressive stock. If you take a look, when it broke out back in March, it ran from 28 and change up to about 31, so only about a 10% move. This pullback has only been about 10% to the downside when we were testing the lows on Tuesday. So I think overall BCE looks pretty interesting here. Again, just for a short-term kind of a move to the upside. You're going to be seeing some resistance come in at the 20-day moving average, which is currently at 29.87. Then you've got the 50-day moving average just a little bit above that. And then ultimately, the target that we're looking for is the double top up just below the $31 level. So look for a reversal off of this hammer. To the downside, we'd keep stops in play, probably around the 28.10, 28.20 area. Close below that level, we'd want to be careful. But otherwise, let's look for a possible target up near 31. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed our presentation today. Be sure to check out our Chart of the Day every day at investedcentral.com. While you're there, sign up for our free weekly Market Pulse newsletter and have the Chart of the Day emailed directly to you. Happy trading.